If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in advanced level where we are solving previous year IIT JEE questions on ellipse. So today we will be solving three questions, question number 1a, 1b and question number 1c. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. Okay, if you see question number 1a, what is asking in ellipse, if x1, x2, x3 are as well as y1, y2, y3 are GP. Again in GP you have not studied, but forgive me for some time. I will write the formula. You will see this formula, how it is coming in the progression chapter. With the same common ratio. Common ratio is same for both these GP. Then the points these are lies in straight line, ellipse or circle. Now because they are at common ratio is same, in GP the product is x1, whatever you multiply this one, same multiply with x2 you will get x3. That is the concept in GP. You multiply with the same numbers. So if I take x1 is equal to a, or x1 is equal to x1 suppose, then x2 is equal to x1 into r and x3 will be equal to x1 into r square. Because they are at common ratio, so you multiply with r, then it will get same. If you take y1 is equal to y1, next y2 will be equal to y1 into r and y3 equal to y1 into r square. So these points, so your point will be x1, x1r and x1r square, y1, y1r and y1r square, y1, y2, y3. So this is the meaning of their common ratio are same, that is r is same both this and they are in GP. Now if you find the area of these 3 points, let us find the area of the 3 points. If they lie on same line, then obviously it will be on a straight line. If the determinant is not equal to 0, then they will form the vertex of a triangle. So we can directly give the answer. So by seeing what was the formula, you can use that long formula or you can use determinant. I told you 1, 1, 1, x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. Now those who have studied again determinant, they know you can take x1 common from this row, you can take y1 common from this row. Then it will be 1, 1, 1, 1 r r square, 1 r r r square. Again, suppose I have taken x1 common, so it will be 1, 1, 1, 1 r r square. And from here I have taken again y square common. So for those who know determinant, they know if the two rows are completely identical, this row and this, then answer is 0. Because it is 0, that means its area is 0. Area is 0 means all the 3 points are lying on the same line. They are collinear. We have tried to solve this one in normal coordinate geometry also. So that's why it is option A. Now you come to 1b. On the ellipse this 4x square plus 9y equal to 1. The points at which the tangent to the line this. Tangents are parallel to the line this. So the slope of the tangent is given. Now can you write the tangents and at what point they are asking also. So if you write the tangents, this is the equation of the ellipse. You can divide it by 1. So it is already 1. So it is 4 is 1 by 2, 9 is 1 by 3 and A is here 1 by 2, B is here 1. This is okay. So the slope of the line that is given is 8 by m. And do you know what is the equation of the ellipse? This is the format y equal to mx plus under root a square m square plus b square. So you put all these value. M is also, you know what should be the slope because it is parallel to this line. So slope should be this. AB, you know, you put the line. So you got the equation of these lines. Now this point we have not given in the theory because I thought that is not required. That is actually not required. You can solve it from here also. So I will show you here. Suppose what is the equation you are getting? The first equation you got is y equal to 8 by 9x plus minus 5 by 9. So if you take the plus 1 and another one is 8 by 9x minus 5 by 9. So these two tangent equations. So what is the normal format of a tangents of this one? Suppose this is my ellipse. So at point x1, y1, what will be the, suppose a tangent I want to draw at x1, y1. What was the equation? SS1. 4x x1 plus 9y y1 is equal to 0. Because this is also tangent, this is also tangent, so it should satisfy. So you can correlate this. Therefore 4x1 divided by 8 by 9 is equal to 9y1 divided by, if you take y that's at minus 1, is equal to, if you take 5 by 9 divided by, then it will be minus 1. So actually here I have done the mistake. So it is actually minus 1 divided by 5 by 9. So it is minus 1 because every time I am writing this one first, 4x1 9 so this one should come minus 1 divided by 5 by 9. So if you do this one, it will now come as 8 by 9 multiplied by 9 by 5, then minus 1 and then also divide by 4. The same thing that I have done here in this way, so you will get the same thing. So once you know x, you can find y also. So how much y it will be? 9 will be gone. So y1 will be minus will also gone 1 by 5. So one point is minus 2 by 5 comma 1 by 5. So there is a multiple correct option. So that's why it is option B is also there. And from the second line also you can go by same way. What will be the second line? This line. So if you compare with this line, only this will change. there will be 1 minus 5 by 9 will come, so x will be equal to 2 by 5, and then y is equal to minus 1 by 5. So there will be a change in only this side. So you can see one is this point, one is this point. So no need to remember these formulas, you can always compare with this one, because this is the tangent at the point x1, y1. If you compare the equation with this point, you will find the point x1, y1. Or you can also try it with the help of differentiation also, but still now you have not done differentiation, so you can do it differentiation at any time. So if differentiation comes, you will see some applications where we have applied this one. Okay, now if you come to 1c, consider the family of circle this, where r is between, radius is between 2 to 5. If in the first quadrant the common tangent to the circle of the family of that circle of the family, or to a circle of that family, means this type of circle, and the ellipse this. So there are one ellipse is there, ellipse is given, they have fixed it. So it will be, here it will be 5, here it will be 5, and these are 4, 4. Because 100 it will be x square by 25, and it will be y square by 4. You can see the coordinate mix is at x and at a and b. So the tangents which is common to both, they meets the coordinate axis at a, b. Then find the equation of the locus of the midpoint of AB. So the midpoint is given, suppose this is the locus, means I will consider that point as HK. So what will be this coordinate? This coordinate will be 2h, 0, and this coordinate will be 0, 2k. You take now midpoint 2h plus 0 by 2h, 2k plus 0 by 2k. Okay. So now if you know these 2 points, that means you have this equation of this line, because this intercept is 2h, this intercept is 2k. So the equation of line AB is equal to this one. Now it is tangent to that ellipse. Now what is the condition for tangent to be ellipse? You have already seen. If I want to make a tangent to the ellipse, suppose that point I consider a cos theta. So it is a cos theta x, x1, y, y1 is equal to 1. The a cos theta, a square and a will get cancelled. That's why b square and b get cancelled. So this is the equation of tangent to this ellipse. And this is also the equation of tangent that they have considered, that I have taken with the midpoint. So these two should be same. So from here you will get sin theta equal to something, cos theta equal to something. That means x coefficient, here cos theta by 5 divided by 1 by 2h. Here y coefficient is sin theta by 2, y coefficient is 1 by 2k. It is 1, it is 1. So from here you will get something in sin theta and cos theta, that is in h and k. What is our target in locus? To find the equation that involves h and k only. Theta is our assumption, theta should not be there. So how you can eliminate theta from these two? You square and add, sin square plus cos square equal to 1. Then you will find the equation of hk. In place of h you will write x and y, that is the locus. So there was no need of that circle. So circle was no need. So in some questions you will find that there are some redundant data is given which is not required at all for solving the question. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.